What talent you have?
dancing and singing, and I also want to improve on it more.
So, why you think that you can be this? Can be crowned as a perfect Miss 2018?
Because I think that I have that confidence level and I can prove myself and I can work better on my talent like dancing or singing.
So, you want to come in this Bollywood industry only, or that you just want to focus on your dance?
I want
Or
to
studies.
be Bollywood as well.
So, you want to be a part of this glamorous industry?
Yes.
Who is your favorite choreographer?
Melvin.
Okay. Next.
This is Meghna Khandelwal from Mumbai, and my hobbies is reading, listening music, and dancing.
Why you are here?
Sorry,
Why are you here in this perfect Miss 2018?
just to complete my mom drill.
So this is your mother's dream
Yeah.
to win this show
Yes.
or this beauty something statement?
Actually, she want me to be in that stage which people can know. Like.
So you want to you want fame.
Sorry.
You want to get famous.
Yes, but obvious. Actually, each and every girl want to be a famous.
Who?
Because
Everybody wants to be famous.
nowadays girls are not safe. And second thing, all people think like girls are not proper than boys. But I think girls are more proper than boys.
From where are you?
I'm from Mumbai.
So आपको मुंबई में रहकर लगता है कि गर्ल सेफ नहीं है मुंबई में?
हाँ गर्ल सेफ नहीं है बिकॉज बीइंग मतलब इधर रह के भी अगर वो आई थिंक कि अगर एक लड़की जाके अपने खुद के पैर पे खड़ी होती है और अपने लिए कुछ करती है दैट्स द मेन थिंग बट अगर उसको वही करने ना मिले तो
आपको कोई रोक रहा है कुछ काम करने के लिए?
नहीं मुझे तो नहीं मिला बट मेरी सिस्टर्स वगैरह है उनको नहीं करने
तो
मिलता
ये सेफ्टी थोड़ी हुआ है. दिस इज नॉट वुमेन सेफ्टी.
बट नाउअडेज मैंने देखे भी बहुत रेप केसेस भी लाइक मुंबई विरार में भी आपने विरार प्रॉब्ली विरार में बहुत केसेस हो गए हैं इन 2018-17 सो
Can you make everybody else like? Can you make us laugh? Do you know any jokes? No. कुछ entertain कर सकते हो हम लोग?
आई जस्ट नो टू डांस
Only dance? Okay, next.
Myself, Patashweta, and I'm from Navin Movement. And my hobbies are modeling, acting, and dancing. Well, I'm also an IT student. And somebody very rightly said that I would rather have the roses in my garden than a diamond on my neck. And it seemed like it totally described me, and that will motivate my life. So I would like to say that just wear your confidence, be bold, and just focus on your dream. Definitely something will come.
How old are you?
Howard,
How old are you?
8-19.
18? 19?
Just come.
So who is your favorite actor?
Favorite actor, Varun Shokti.
Varun Shah. Why you think that you can win perfect woman?
Because perfect is like success is a result of perfection. So I believe in the perfection, like learning from failure, loyalty and persistence. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase the perfection, we can catch an excellence in it. So I just say that just wear your confidence, just stay focused and be yourself. Definitely.
You said that you are an acting student.
Yes.
You said you are an acting student.
No, I'm not an acting student. I'm just passionate about acting. But I
So do you complete your studies? Have you completed or not?
no, I'm a device student.
So you want to win this show?
Yes, definitely.
And how?
And being just yourself. And yes, I can dance also.
Next.
Yeah.
Which dance?
Belly dance.
Belly dancing. Wow. Which is your favorite song in belly dancing?
Afghan Children.
Can you perform? सब देखना चाहेंगे? देखा आप सबने? हर बार यही किया इन्होंने? Perfect. एक बार दिखाइए प्लीज. Without music कर सकते हो?
No, actually,
You want a music? आप without music करो ना please. नहीं पॉसिबल. कोई बात म्यूजिक ऑन हो सकता है?
Hi, I'm Pratika Govind. I'm from Mumbai. My hobby is listening music.
Who is your favorite singer?
Shreya Ghoshal.
Who is your favorite music director? Nobody? Do you know the song Anu Malik any by chance?
एक गरम चाय की प्याली.
Can you sing us for us?
एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, कोई उसको पिलाने वाली हो, चाहे गोरी हो या काली हो, सीने से लगाने वाली हो, मिल जाए कोई मिल जाए.
What do you think that how you will attract your public? Suppose you win. Take an example, you are the winner of Perfect Miss 180. What do you think that how you can attract your public? How can you do your PRs? Like what thing you have कि आपको जनता बोले कि हाँ यार इसको क्राउन पहनाओ.
I can give my best.
Best in what? सब बेस्ट ही तो कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Perfect तो मतलब perfect होता है. Perfect मतलब इसमें imperfection ही ना हो. और woman, you being a woman, how you think that you are perfect to win this show? Next.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruma Chetri. I'm representing my state Meghalaya. My hobby is dancing. I have aspirations of one day becoming a successful person in whatever I do. Bright and a splendid future is what I am pursuing for.
Where you see yourself after 5 years?
I see myself as a good in modeling and entertainment industry.
So you want to win this show and you want to grow your career in Bollywood industry, right?
Yes.
And if you get the chance, by chance, to be a Prime Minister of India, will you choose to be a PM or you want to be a part of this Bollywood industry?
I want to follow my passion. I'll just follow the Bollywood industry.
So you don't want to do something for society?
I can do through the Bollywood also, like Aishwarya and all they're doing for the kids, for the homeless people. So I'm going to do.
So suppose I give you 50 CR right now, 50 crore rupees. How you will do social stuff? What social cause you want to do for society?
Like in my state, there is a blood donation is very, very low, so I'll be doing it there first of all. Then I'll keep organizations for those for Meghalaya people, and I'm going to help them. And I'll see throughout the India wherever it is. If I'm lucky, then I will see throughout the world also.
So what do you think of one of the worst situation right now in India?
Worst situation I see, according to me, I see that there is no safety for women, I would like to say, because every people will say like, don't go like in the night time, you should be at home around 6 o'clock, deadline is at 6 o'clock, you have to be at home. It's not like that, you should be at that, because we are girls and we are human. We can go, we can do whatever we can like.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks. What do you think? Win on money or win on talent?
Win on talent.
What talent do you think you have?
Sorry.
What talent you have right now? Do you think that the best talent you have in you?
The best talent is that I think that in me I can do something, and if I do it, at least I can prove it. So
What do you think? What is your weakness?
my weakness is that
What strength you think that you can? What strength you have that you can win this show? What make you different and unique other than these girls?
I think that everyone has a quality that is unique in themselves, and for me, it would be that something like my talents. So I can sing well, not that well. I haven't learned it.
If you are not that well, then how can you win this show? You have to be best, then only you will be crowned as perfect next 2018. So, आप खुद ही बोल रहे हो कि आप नहीं जीत सकते हैं because you're not that well.
No, in singing.
In singing, what I asked you the first question, you remember that?
Yeah, I remember.
What is the best talent you have? Next.
Hello, my name is Karishma Thakkar, and I'm very lucky and happy that I'm a finalist of Perfect Miss 2018, and also I'm lucky enough to stand here every day, so that when you look back, you don't regret and you just find a better version of yourself every single day.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Cool.
thank you.
Hi, I'm Neha. I'm from Haryana. My hobbies include singing, listening to music. During my free time, I watch movies, mostly horror.
Okay, so what are your ambitions? Why are you here?
I'm here to win.
You're here to win. And why you want to win this Perfect magazine? Perfect Woman, Miss 2018.
Because I want to prove myself.
So after winning that, you can prove what you want to prove, like that you are a best among these women, or you are a perfect woman. What do you want to prove yourself? To whom you want to prove?
I want to prove my parents that this career can also be a good one.
So you want to come in this Bollywood industry?
Yes.
And what are you working? Like you're working on yourself, on some talent, acting, you're taking some acting classes, dancing. What are you doing right now?
I practice at home, singing,
Okay.
singing and acting.
Acting also. Not the TikTok level, right?
What?
कोई TikTok level का तो नहीं आप acting.
नहीं.
Can you show some monologue? Have you prepared? What you want? Like any monologue or something?
I have prepared song.
Singing? Okay. Cool. Next, please.